This message was transmitted by the request of Keon Plays. This video will contain loud emergency tones, as the creator is not responsible for any of these tones. All EAS mocks are fake, and the ones I make are for entertainment purposes only. All songs and sound effects don't belong to Keon. All songs and sound effects belong to their owners. And one more thing. Please don't be goofy and play these tones outside. Anyways, enjoy this EAS scenario. The following message was transmitted by the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. A tall man with a tuxedo was teleporting around the streets. The tall man wants to take your young children away, steal money from banks, and destroy properties. It is recommended that you stay in your homes, lock all windows and doors, so that tall man won't get in. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the Salt Lake City Police Department. 3 kids have gone missing. The names are Harold, Emma, and Sam. If you have any information about these missing kids, call 911 immediately.
Breaking news, we have found out about the name Tall Man with a Tuxedo. Its name is Slender Man. The military is trying to stop the Slender Man guy. So yeah, we will keep you updated on this situation.
This message was transmitted by the Salt Lake City Police Department. The dangerous Slender Man is causing more damage by destroying buildings, setting stuff on fire, and massing destruction across Salt Lake City. Only 17 people died, and 30 were injured. The military is still trying to take down the Slender Man guy. Breaking news. The Slender Man guy disappeared. The military is dead. There was many of deaths in Salt Lake City. This day would be known as Deadly Saturday. The cost of this amount of damage is 84 billion American dollars. If you managed to survive, good job. But I don't know if anyone survived the attack of Slender Man.